Bonjour et bienvenue in this new lesson. Today you will learn how to create simple negation using the present tense. For example, you will learn how to say I don't, I can't, and many other sentences. Are you ready? C'est parti! So, in French, the regular way to create a simple negation is to use the following formula. First, you will use ne. Then you will add your conjugated verb or active verb, and you will use pas. Ne, the verb, and pas. Let's see with a sample. It will be more clear for you. For example, je suis heureux. I'm happy. Will become je ne suis pas heureux. I'm not happy. So here, the not is expressed by ne and pas. That is placed before the auxiliary to be and after the auxiliary to be. Je ne suis pas heureux. Is that more clear? Let's see more sample together. Je parle français. I speak French. Will become je ne parle pas français. I don't speak French. So the ne go before parle, that is speak, that is a conjugated verb, and the pas right after the verb. Je ne parle pas français. The ne will become an apostrophic if the following words start with a vowel or with an H, silent H. For example, j'aime le fromage. I love cheese. Will become je n'aime pas le fromage. I don't like cheese. So here we didn't use ne, but we use an apostrophic. Another sample? J'ai une valise. Will become je n'ai pas de valise. Because the verb to have, est, start with a vowel. So you use an apostrophic and not ne. That's it. If you noticed, in the previous sample, I replace une by de. J'ai une valise became je n'ai pas de valise. In French, when we create a negation, we replace the articles un, une, des by de. So, here is some more sample. J'ai une valise. Je n'ai pas de valise. Tu as un vélo. You have a bike. Tu n'as pas de vélo. You don't have a bike. J'ai des voitures. I have cars. Je n'ai pas de voiture. I don't have cars. Okay, be careful. If there are multiple verbs in your sentence, for example, a compound sentence with an infinitive verb or something with a past tense, for example, where you have a past participle and the conjugated verb. So the ne and the pas are always placed before and after the conjugated verb or the active verb. For example, je peux partir. I can't leave. Here we have two verbs. Peut from the verb pouvoir and partir. But the active verb is peut. So the negation will be je ne peux pas partir. Another sample, je vais gagner. I will win. Here, the negative sentence will be je ne vais pas gagner. Gagner being infinitive, we don't place the negation there. And the last thing for you today that is important to remember. While speaking, French sometimes doesn't use the ne or the n apostrophic. For example, they will say j'aime pas voyager. I don't like to travel. J'aime pas voyager. Instead of saying je n'aime pas voyager. It's faster and for French people it's easier to pronounce. So in many cases, especially when you talk in an informal way or with your friend, with your family, we just use pas. Okay, very good. You know everything you need to know to have a good base in French. So now let's practice some exercise together. Check in the video and I will give you the correction right after. Pause the video and transform this sentence using the negative form. Once you are done, check the correction. So, here is the correction of the sentences. 1. Je ne suis pas énervé. I'm not angry. 2. Je ne peux pas voyager seul. I cannot travel alone. 3. Je ne veux pas partir en France. I don't want to go in France. Je n'aime pas les croissants. I don't like croissants. 5. Je ne vais pas visiter l'Italie. I will not visit Italia. Okay, if you understood everything, you can practice more with the exercise that I put in the resources. And if you feel ready, you can go to the next lesson. À bientôt!